washout. It's a washout. I hope you didn't have any sunny adventures planned for today. This is where we're at. We got water everywhere. It's not what you want it to be. Look at that. You can see it coming across the road. That was fun. It looked dangerous though. Doesn't it look dangerous? Raindrops are falling on my windshield. Safer in the car this time. Literally, I just don't want to get out now. It's raining too much. I don't want to get out. I don't want to get out now. I'm sugar. I don't want to dissolve in the rain. This tracks, if you can see that. They don't sound as bad as the rest of the road that we've been driving on, but yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more and tune in. We'll be making